This is the elevator at the Man Building in downtown Lebanon, Pennsylvania. We have an older elevator here. That's right. It's an old Westinghouse. Oh, watch it close up awful fast. Get out of the basement. I guess basement's lost, so let's get a 5. You're in yard 5. Those stairs go up into the machine room. Near the generator. It's back down to 1. Go to 5, get a tap on the way up. Carpeted walls. Older Westinghouse cab for sure. Here we are at 5. See if the Synchrodial still works. Send it down to 3. Here, the machine. That goes up into the machine room. Your T shaped in a walkway. She's kind of up to the machine and wants to close on level fast. B is locked, now 1. Standard Westinghouse black button fixtures. 1 speed and that's low, that's high, that's the motor generator light that lights up when the generator is active. As with these older DC elevators, the elevator will not run if the generator is not on. And that is it.